ready to turn your website visitors into paying customers. Today, we're building a high-converting WordPress landing page step by step. First, choose a theme that prioritizes aesthetics and functionality. Ideally one built for landing pages or with excellent page builder compatibility. Navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. You can search for landing page themes or choose a versatile option. Once your theme is activated, we'll head to Pages and click Add New. This is where the magic happens. Give your page a clear, benefit-driven title that tells visitors exactly what they'll get. For maximum flexibility and design control, we'll use a drag-and-drop page builder. Many themes come with one integrated, or you can install a free plugin like Elementor or Beaver Builder. Click Edit with Elementor at the top. Start with a compelling headline that grabs attention. Immediately below that, a concise subheadline should expand on the offer and highlight the main benefit. Add an engaging hero image or video that visually supports your message. The core of your landing page is a clear, irresistible call to action, or CTA. This could be a button saying download now, sign up free, or get your discount. Make sure it stands out visually and is placed prominently. Now, let's add persuasive content. Use bullet points to highlight key features and benefits, focusing on how your offer solves your visitors' problem. Keep sentences short, scannable, and benefit-oriented. Consider adding a trust element, like a testimonial, social proof, or a guarantee. To build credibility, think about what will make your visitor feel confident clicking that CTA button. Crucially, you need a way to capture leads. Embed a simple form for email sign-ups or inquiries. Keep the form fields to a minimum to reduce friction. Why you're just ask for what you absolutely need. Before publishing, always preview your landing page on different devices. Use your page builder's responsive settings to ensure it looks flawless on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. A poorly designed mobile experience will kill conversions. And there you have it, a powerful, optimized WordPress landing page designed to capture attention and drive conversions. Now go build yours and watch your results soar.